important news development today. Capital markets regulator Sebi has amended the norms to bring buying and selling of mutual fund units under the ambit of the insider trading rules. Remember that at present, insider trading rules are only applicable to the dealing in securities of listed stock companies and also for those who are proposed to be listed on the exchanges. Now, the units of mutual funds are specifically excluded from this thus far. But Sebi's latest decision follows the Franklin Templeton episode, in which the fund house's few executives were actually accused of redeeming their holdings in the schemes right ahead of the 6 debt schemes shutting down for redemption later. Now, as I'll quote the Sebi regulator on this, and it says, "No insider shall trade in the units of a scheme of a mutual fund when in possession of unpublished price sensitive information which may have a material impact on the net asset value of a scheme or may have a material impact on the interest of the unit holders of the scheme," unquote. Sebi has also said that under the new rules, asset management companies will have to actually disclose the details of the holdings in the units of the mutual fund schemes on an aggregate basis that are held by the AMC, also held by trustees, their immediate relatives on the platform of stock exchanges. Now, the regulator has also said, and I quote, "Details of all the transactions in the units of its own mutual funds executed by the designated persons of AMC, trustees and their immediate relatives shall be reported by the concerned person to the compliance officer of the asset management company within 2 business days from the date of the transaction," unquote. Also, Sebi has prescribed a minimum standard of code of conduct for the designated persons in line with provisions of the existing insider trading rules. The compliance officer of AMC would also determine the closure period during which a designated person cannot transact in the units of a mutual fund. To give this effect, Sebi has amended this insider trading norms that also have become effective from November 24th. And that's all from the Sebi Update News. But do stay tuned on to Business Today TV to catch all the latest details on this news and much more. And do stay tuned on to our social media platforms as well to catch all the buzzing latest news from the world of business and stock markets. Many thanks for tuning in.
Hello and welcome. You're with us here on Business Today. I'm Abha Bakaya. Here are the day's top stories. Hindustan Motors all charged up for a big bang return years after being